Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Joseph and Nick are on their way. All of the major stuff is done. Completely new sewer lines, completely new water lines. So today should be their last day of touching things up here and there. I still see some insulation and getting everything ready for inspection. Let's see what they do. They're unpacking and organizing gear. Looks like Joseph is starting with the roof because we do need another vent on top. We'll see what kind of footage we get.
Hold on.
Looks like they are all done out here and are moving inside to the attic. I'll try to get up there, but I think I'm just going to film from the master bath. I think they're mostly done in here because we are going outside again and getting dirt back into the main line to have everything nicely filled up. They just left and said this should take some time to pack down and condense. I'm thinking about using some of the rainwater to help it settle a little quicker. The last thing Joseph did was connect our grounding to our new main water line. All we have to do now is wait for the inspector to come and check if everything we did is good. Video number 177 done.